Hi, I'm Nick Smith. I started Dura-Guard paver sealing shortly after completing my military service and combat deployment to Iraq in 2011. Since then, we have grown Dura-Guard to be the largest brick paver cleaning and sealing company in the United States. With over 3,200 successful projects completed each year, nobody has the Monday through Friday, day-to-day experience we bring to the table. From the initial contact with the Dura-Guard, our friendly office staff is standing by to answer your questions. Today, we're going to be doing a demonstration of our concrete sealer product. We're going to be showing you the typical contaminants that you're going to find staining your residential or commercial concrete surfaces. Liquids from trash cans, garbage bags, and dumpsters, mustard, ketchup, sunblock and suntan lotion, spilled coffee, sodas and drinks, red wine, coolant, motor oil, and other vehicle fluids, even gum. Using only a standard garden hose, you can easily rinse off the contaminants that just can't soak in. Even gum won't adhere to sealed concrete. If water can't soak in to the concrete's capillaries and pores, mold simply can't grow, leaving your concrete surfaces cleaner, longer. You should expect the sealer to last about 5 years, increasing the tensile strength and preserving the concrete from getting stains that can't be removed. Sealing your concrete is the way to go. If you have residential or commercial concrete surfaces and you want this product applied, please give us a call at 727-218-4221. Don't forget to visit us online at www.duraguardfl.com. As always, thank you for supporting your local, veteran-owned and operated small business.